No, I'm gonna go eat this. You wanna learn how I made this? Come on. What are you doing there? Get off your butt. Let's go cook this. Garlic and let's cook all of this. Alright, I'm gonna cut up this. Alright, so I got some garlic, onions, chicken. Today, I'm just gonna make like a bourbon chicken type dinner without bourbon, because season. And then I have some of this brown onion flavor, which I will add when it's time. To cook that up first. Got some brown sugar I'm putting in it. Gonna put some liquid seasoning. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna use a little bit of that. Gonna use some vinegar. A little bit of vinegar. Add the water to the seasonings. And the chicken that I cooked down. And then I added the liquid seasoning, which is like soy sauce. And now boil it, and then I'm gonna add that little brown seasoning packet I have. See if that thickens it up a little bit, like sauce chicken. Put it on pasta. I already got my pasta made. I really don't think I need to show you guys how to boil pasta, but I can someday again. Okay, starters, got the pasta and the meat sauce. My mother's, that goes right on top. Alright, let's see how good this is. Chicken, sauce, some pasta. That's really good. It tastes like Chinese chicken. And always, bye-bye.